What if I told you there is a place on earth where death is not the end, but freedom? A city where people don't fear dying, they wait for it. A place where it is believed that Lord Shiva himself whispers a secret into your ear at the end of your last breath. This is not fiction. This is Kashi. And at its heart stands the mysterious temple of Sri Kashi Vishwanath. And what are the miracles hidden here that have made this place so eternal? According to the Shiva Puran, Kashi is not an ordinary city. It is said to be Avimukta, a place never abandoned by Shiva. Even when the universe is destroyed, Kashi remains. Think about that. Everything ends, but this city survives. Why? Because it is believed Kashi does not fully belong to earth. It exists between the physical world and the spiritual realm. One of the most powerful beliefs about Kashi Vishwanath is this: at the time of death, Lord Shiva himself appears and whispers the Taraka mantra into the ears of the dying soul. A mantra so powerful that it breaks the cycle of rebirth. No more suffering, no more returning, just moksha, liberation, salvation. This is why thousands come to Kashi not to live, but to die. Near the temple lies the Manikarnika Ghat, a cremation ground where the fire is said to have been burning for thousands of years, non-stop, day and night, without ever going out. But how can it be? This is because it is believed this fire was lit by Shiva himself, and as long as it burns, souls will continue to be liberated. This is not just a ritual, it is a gateway between life and beyond. Visitors often say Kashi feels different, not peaceful like other temples, but intense, heavy, almost overwhelming, because here you are constantly reminded of one truth: everything ends, and yet there is something eternal. This duality creates a powerful energy, one that shakes you from within. Kashi is also the city where time behaves differently. People say you lose track of hours, days, even reality. Ancient texts suggest that Kashi lies on a spiritual axis, a point where the boundaries of time blur, where the past, present, and future seem to merge. And in that moment, you feel something strange, a stillness. So, what are the miracles of Kashi Vishwanath? Is it the whisper of Shiva? Or the eternal fire? The strange energy? Or something else? Maybe the real miracle is what Kashi does to you. It strips away illusion, ego, fear, attachment, and leaves you with one truth: you are not the body, you are something beyond. So, is Kashi just a city, or is it something more? A doorway or a bridge, a final destination? Maybe the reason it has survived for eternity is because It was never meant to be destroyed. If this gave you goosebumps, comment Har Har Mahadev and share this with someone who believes in divine mysteries. Subscribe now because the next story might reveal a truth about life and death you were never ready to hear. In Kashi, death is not the end, it is the beginning of eternity.